What is the COBRA premium payment grace period? Imagine losing your health coverage just because a payment was a few days late. That's where the COBRA premium payment grace period comes into play. It's a safety net designed to help you keep your benefits without immediate penalty. When you have COBRA coverage, your premiums are usually due on the first day of each coverage month. But life happens, and sometimes payments are delayed. That's why the law gives you a 30-day window after each due date to make your payment without losing your coverage. During this time, if you pay within the 30 days, your coverage stays active, and any claims you made during the grace period are covered once the payment is received. This means if you miss a payment deadline, you still have a chance to catch up without losing your health benefits. For the initial COBRA premium, which covers from the start of your coverage through the current month, the deadline is a little longer, usually 45 days from when you elect COBRA. This gives you some extra time to gather the funds and make your first payment. After that, every month's premium is due on the 1st, with the 30-day grace period applying. If you make a partial payment that's less than the full amount, your plan might treat it as non-payment and could terminate your coverage if the full premium isn't paid by the end of the grace period. However, if the shortfall is minor, say less than $50 or 10% of your premium, the plan must notify you and give you about 30 days to pay the remaining balance before ending your coverage. From a labor and employment law perspective, this grace period is a key protection. It helps employees and their families maintain health coverage after job loss or hours reduction, giving them a fair chance to stay insured. Employers and plan administrators need to clearly communicate these deadlines and grace periods to avoid accidental termination of coverage. Keep in mind, if you pay late but within the grace period, your coverage might be temporarily suspended but will be reinstated retroactively once the payment is made. If you miss the deadline entirely, your COBRA coverage can be terminated, and you'll need to find other options for health insurance. Summary: COBRA premiums are due on the 1st of each month, but you have a 30-day window afterward to make your payment without losing coverage. The initial payment deadline is 45 days from your COBRA election date. If you pay late but within the grace period, your coverage continues, but claims submitted during suspension might be denied until coverage is reinstated. Missing the grace period means losing your benefits, so it's important to stay aware of these deadlines. This system helps ensure you can keep your health benefits while giving you some flexibility if payments are delayed.